Did you know that you can use a Word document to create a PowerPoint presentation without even using copy and paste? Well, from a blank presentation in PowerPoint, you can select Copilot from the Home tab on the ribbon, and then either enter your instructions in the prompt box at the bottom of the pane, or choose one of the suggested prompts to start the process. I'm going to choose Create Presentation from File, enter the name of the file, or select it from the suggestions if it's listed, then go ahead and send off the prompt to be generated. PowerPoint will go ahead and work on a response for you by drafting a presentation, creating slides, including speaker notes, using the information found within the document. All you need to do is be a little patient. And voila, here's my presentation. It's amazing, isn't it? Just remember that as this is AI generated, it might be incorrect and you'll still need to check the content for accuracy. Once you've created your presentation, you could go to Designer and redesign any of the slides if you want to. Now back on Copilot, I'm going to ask Copilot to add an image. And one more. And there you go. A presentation has been created with a couple of clicks using Copilot for Microsoft 365.